Hey guys, it's Troy with a really quick video. I told you that we had the giveaway for the Downton Abbey Blu-ray disc set and the DVDs for the first 3 seasons. We do have a winner, and I did choose it, so if you go check out that video, well, congratulations to the winner. Don't want to announce the name because I don't know whether he's the winner just yet. When I hear back, I'll let you guys know. And also, the other thing is, you know, I'm sitting here at my desk and just using my phone to do this quick recording. You know, this Eversharp pen, this aerometric filler. I told you guys in my last video that I was yet to work on it, and I did do a little bit of work on it today. I've got the sack replaced on it. Actually writes pretty doggone good, and matter of fact, it'll be my pen of the day for tomorrow. You can check my Instagram account if you wanted to follow that, when I'm going to place that video, or actually that picture, on Instagram for my pen of the day. And I did so for today. I will be doing that again for tomorrow. So other than that, you know, I'm glad we're giving away a set of DVDs. Maybe my birthday today, but I'm looking forward to giving away something as a gift to somebody else. Thanks for watching.